Winter is here and it is time to swap out those yogurt fruit bowls for something a bit more warming. Let's begin. Into a mixing bowl, add 50 grams of oats. Next, sprinkle in 10 grams of pumpkin seeds for that crunch and a boost of energy. A teaspoon of baking powder, followed by a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg. You can smell the warmth already. A pinch of salt for balance, and let's make it extra special with a scoop of vanilla cookie dough whey protein. Half a sliced apple adds sweet, crisp texture, save the rest for topping. Gently pour in some water and combine all the ingredients until they are just right. Transfer this mixture into an oven-safe bowl, and here's where the magic happens. Top it with the remaining apple slices and a generous drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's beautifully golden and your kitchen smells like winter joy. And there you have it, a warm, nourishing bowl of baked oatmeal sprinkled with the seeds of health and the sweetness of the season. Perfect for those frosty mornings or any time you need a hug from the inside.